today we are going to do a fun activity with maths, and I hope you like this. This is a fun activity in which I will tell you how to do the multiplication very easy using Vedic mathematics, and it is very useful for the students, those who are appearing for competitive exams. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So let us start with the first thing. If you have to multiply 11 with 11, its results everybody knows, this is 121. Now how this result will come, I'll tell you. What you have to do, you have to fix the first number and the last number as it is, and in between these two you have to commutatively add these two numbers. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So I hope you understand this. Similarly, if you have to multiply 22 with 11, what you have to do, these first and the last numbers are fixed, and in between these two the addition of these two is 4. Now if you have to multiply, let us suppose you have to multiply 33 with 11. This is again very easy. For this, what you have to do, the first and the last numbers are same like we did it earlier, and in between these two the sum of these two numbers are raised, that is 363. So this is an answer. This is a type 1. We will increase our concept to the 3-digit number. If you have to multiply 3-digit number with 11, what you have to see, the first and the last digits remain same, and in between these two the successive addition you have to do, like 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2 plus 5 is 7. So this is the result that you are getting after multiplying 125 with 11. Similarly, for this 4-digit numbers, what you have to do, you have to fix the first one and the last one initially, and then you have to add them, like 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, then 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 7 plus 2 is 9. So hope you understand how you can get any product with the number 11. So this is the type 1 where there is no carry is generated. Now what will happen if the carry is generated? We will see it in type 2. Now what happens if you multiply a number where the carry is generated? So I'll tell you the method of this. What you have to do, you have to place the first and the last digit as we did at earlier. Same. Now 7 plus 8 is 15, so you have to write 5 and carry 1, and then 8 plus 9 is 17, then you have to put 7 and carry 1, and 9 plus 4 is 13, then you have to write 3 and carry 1, and after that you have to add them. This is 8, this is 6, this is 8, this is 3, and this is 4. So this will be your answer when you multiply this number with 11. So I hope you understand how to multiply the number with the 11. This will help you out for calculation in your entrance exams. Let us suppose we will take one last example. 7, 8, 6, 5, 3, 9, 7, 4. Multiply it with 11. So what you have to do, it is very easy. The first and the last digit you have to keep same, and then 7 plus 8 is 15, carry 1, then 8 plus 6 is 14, carry 1, then 6 plus 5 is 11, then carry 1, 5 plus 3 is 8, nothing, carry, then 3 plus 9 is 12, carry 1, and 9 plus 7 is 16, carry 1, 7 plus 4 is 11, then carry 1. So this is how the multiplication has done. Now you have to add them simply. This is 8, this is 6, this is 4, this is 1, 9, 3, 7, 1, 4. This is the answer that you will be getting after the multiply this huge number with 11. Now one last and very important type. If you have to multiply any kind of number, and this is what I call type 3, any kind of number with a multiple of 11. Let us suppose you have to multiply 7894 with 55. So particularly with 55 it is easy, because what you have to do, you have to just write it like 11 into 5, and first of all you have to multiply these two. This is very easy. How? This is similar. You have to write first and last digit same. Then 7 plus 8 is 15. Write 5 and take 1 carry, and then 8 plus 7 is also 15. Carry 1, and then 7 plus 4 11. Then carry 1, and then add them. This is 8 6 6 1 4. Now this is 8 6 6 1 4. Now to multiply it with 5, but I'll advise you what you have to do. You have to just put 1 0 and make it half. So why? Because I can write this 5 as 10 by 2. So 10 by 2. So what I do here is I put 1 0. You can put 1 0 and divide it by 2. That is 4 3 3 answer. So what you have to do, you have to just divide this number with 2. That is 4 3 3 and then 0 and then 7 and 0. So this is the final answer that you will get after multiply it with 55. So I hope you understand this concept and multiplication of any number with the 11 and its multiple. I'll come back soon with the new tricks which will help your calculation easy. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.